Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into how to create a group on SharePoint in 2025. SharePoint is an amazing tool for collaboration, and creating groups can help you organize teams, share files, and boost productivity. Whether you're a beginner or just need a quick refresher, this guide will get you up and running in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have access to SharePoint. You'll need a Microsoft 365 account, so log in at office.com and head over to the SharePoint app. Once you're in, navigate to your organization's site or the main SharePoint homepage. This is your central hub for all things collaborative. Step 1. Click on the Sites tab in the left-hand menu. Here, you'll see your existing sites and groups. To create a new group, look for the Create Site or New button. SharePoint's interface might have evolved slightly by 2025, but it should be intuitive. Select Team Site or Group from the options. This will start the group creation wizard. Next, give your group a name and description. Make it descriptive so everyone knows its purpose right away. For example, if it's for a project team, name it something like Project X Collaboration Group. Then, set the privacy level. Choose private if it's for internal use only, or public if you want wider access. Now, for the fun part, adding members. You can invite people by typing their email addresses or selecting from your organization's directory. Don't forget to assign roles, like owner or member, to manage permissions effectively. This ensures the right people have the right access, keeping things secure and organized. Once everything looks good, hit Create or Next. SharePoint will set up your group, and you'll be redirected to it. Take a moment to explore, upload files, start discussions, or integrate with teams for even better collaboration. Pro tip: regularly review group settings to keep everything up to date and efficient. And there you have it. You've just created a group on SharePoint in 2025. It's that straightforward. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.